On this episode of Trek and Beyond, I'll be taking you to a place in Sichuan, China called Qingcheng Mountain. If you are looking for a nice day trip outside of Chengdu, this is the perfect place. Qingcheng Mountain is one of the most famous Taoist mountains in China. It is considered the birthplace of Taoism with over 2,000 years of history. Listed as a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site in 2000, it is one of 4 famous Taoist mountains in China. The whole mountain is covered with evergreen forest all year round, to which it gets its name Qingcheng Mountain, which translates to Mountain of Green. The most convenient way to get there is by bullet train from Chengdu, which takes you to Qingcheng railway station, and it's about a 30-minute to 1-hour ride. After that, it's only a short ride with bus 101 to the front of the mountain. Just follow the crowd to the bus station, which is located beside the train station. You can't miss it. Qingcheng Mountain is a great place to breathe some fresh air and escape the noise of the busy city. Choose your own stuff there. We got like potato, bean, and the sauce, and tofu, and the tofu. That's massive. That's a massive.
This is the proper way to eat tofu.
Like this, on the rice with this.
Tofu rice mixed with spice.
Okay. And this is before our big mountain trip today. You have to find our seat.
What are we?
Here.
3D and 3F?
Yeah.
Isn't that us? Are we facing someone?
Oh, we do sit beside each other.
But I like it.
This is comfortable. This is like first class.
Have you not taken a high-speed train in China?
Never.
What?
It's high-speed train. Big train station. About to enter Qingcheng Mountain. Going up to the entrance now to buy a ticket. It's very famous for like the Taoist religion here. So I'm gonna check out the nice spots here.
你要跟我跑吗？你确定他跟我走了？不用。
Alright,
跟我走。
we just got in. It's like really green in here. It's nice. It smells good compared to the air in Chengdu. Hello. Like what? Hello. 我到了。
师傅2个大的，师傅2个。
我到了。I said I'm full.
这个嘛。
I'm coming. I'm here.
哦，我包了。
这个嘛。
我包了。
哎呀，妹妹，咱们吃了嘛？
Man, that's tiring. All those steps. All those steps. Jeez. Here, there's some corn for you. This is a nice part of the path up against the mountain there.
Where's the ginkgo tree? I don't see it.
Yeah, because it's yellow now, right?
Ginkgo biloba.
Elevation.
好。
我就买这上看了这个。
还回去？我看山上那个大树，那个。我们家里种的也一样，那不知道。考研的。
There's a rabbit.
Oh yeah.
Rabbit is a good thing in Taoism. I'm a rabbit. You're a tiger, right?
Yeah.
You're like my mom. But you're nothing like my mom.
It's beautiful here. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but up there, that's where I'm going to try to get to my destination, that big pagoda there. You just have to walk through this temple to get to the other side of the mountain. Should we, I think it's this way, right? To the mountain, yeah. More stairs.
Notice how they dress differently
Yeah.
from the Buddha,
Yeah.
the monks.
I noticed his outfit. So beautiful.
Lots of trees.
Whoa. Man eating apple. 好吃吗？哦，哦，哇！
还是我手机。
I'm thinking we're almost there at the pagoda. That was a really steep climb. Elevation 1240. Okay, let's go see our goal. I think that was shorter than 10 minutes, what the guy said, right? Oh. I love the colors in here. I think so. We just we go through there.
Yeah. This is the top.
Chinese love locks.
Oh, this is it. This is the pagoda.
Yeah. Look at all of them.
This is the safety lock. It's for safety, not love lock.
But they're like
They're too shallow.
they look like it's the shape of a heart.
It's not. It's for
Safety.
For safety. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Safety lock. So that your whole family is safe.
Ah, okay.
It's not love lock. Pagoda. I'm so hot.
There. Just go up. I'm gonna try to go fast before my battery dies. Whoa. Wow. It's so beautiful.
This is the first time I'm here.
First time. I find this like so amazing. This kind of stuff is so beautiful. This would be really nice if the sun was still there.
But we're in the mountain area, so
Yeah.
the sun doesn't always come out.
But still, it's still really beautiful. I think usually you can climb up those, but now it's closed. I gotta get my jacket. Bye bye. Bye bye.